everyone. It is February 11th, 2024. Just parked for the night here in Ohio, headed to North Carolina to go home. Forgot to do this video yesterday. Now, North Carolina Gorge is in the news again. If you didn't know, back in September 27th when the hurricane came through North Carolina, it washed away 2 of the eastbound lanes of the Gorge, North Carolina mountains. I think it's around the 7-8 mile marker or something like that. They were stabilizing it, and then we had another bad rainstorm, and it washed away again. But it just came out in the news yesterday that I-40 in the Gorge at the slide that happened during the hurricane back in September 27th, 2024, they're going to have it reopened come March 1st. That is what they're saying in the media, March 1st. But it's going to be 1 lane each direction. 1 lane east, 1 lane west on the westbound lanes. So, anybody going to go through the Gorge is going to be open come March 1st. That's what they're predicting right now on February 10th. Now it's the 11th. And I just wanted to get that out there. So anybody who was asking about the North Carolina Gorge, it is going to be opening up very soon. 1 lane means there are going to probably be huge backups. I know right around the 18-19 mile marker a year ago, when they were working on the bridge, there was always backups for it. So plan accordingly. Now, this is 2 days after the Super Bowl 2025 in New Orleans. Yes, my Philadelphia Eagles has won. And I'm not going to brag. I'm not going to talk about it. But fly, Eagles, fly. I'm in Ohio, headed towards North Carolina. I'm going to drop this load tomorrow afternoon. And then I'm going home. So I'll be home February 11th, 12th. Yeah, 12th, probably tomorrow evening at the latest. Depends on how bad it's snowing. I've been in snow off and on all the way from Maine. I got stuck up there. It snowed yesterday going through New York. It snowed today here in Cincinnati and up and down around. And I don't know how bad West Virginia is going to get hit. It got hit pretty good yesterday and this morning, and it looks like another storm's coming through now, which I just drove through some of it. But I'm almost out of time, so take my 10, leave out in the daylight, and head to the house. Now, as you all know, I have talked about my back. And I went to a pain doctor. They did x-rays. They showed some damage on the x-rays. And they want me to get an MRI. And that is scheduled for Monday at lunch. Last time I went to a pain doctor was back in 2002, 2003. I had so many injections. They didn't really work. Now I'm having pain shooting down my leg, sciatica, or whatever. And I went to the pain doctor, and they did some smaller injections in my spine, 4 areas of the lower back, 1 in the hip. That helps. I'm not having as much pain down the leg. There for about 2 weeks, I didn't have any. I'm starting to get it again. So we're going to see what the MRI is going to show. I know back in 2002, they wanted to clip my nerves, and I told them no. And I need a haircut. Be doing that when I'm home. And they want me to go get physical therapy, which driving a truck, I'm not home. So I'll do one when I'm home after my MRI. And I've also got an eye doctor appointment for Tuesday. So I'm going to be at home for next almost a week. I've been out since January 7th, 2025. So I've been out for 5 weeks. It's time to go home. Like I said, this is 2025. My goals was trying to see what we could do for my back. Like I said, I've already been to the pain doctor once, January 6th. And they did the x-rays, like I said. Now I got to go get the MRI. They've contacted my old pain doctor that wanted to clip my nerves back in 2002. And I told them, no, I'm not clipping my nerves. They're going to try to get the records. I haven't heard if they've got them. And pain shooting in my leg as I speak. And we'll see what happens with the MRI. Like I said, the x-rays did not show some damage. So fingers crossed they can find something where they can fix non-surgical, because I don't want surgery. Can't take a lot of drugs because I am a CDL holder, and I'm not going to lose my job by doing some drugs. I've been on pain forever and a day. The only reason I'm going to the pain doctor now is because it's shooting down my leg. But I live in pain, like everyone else with back issues. Y'all have a great day. Thumb it up. And like I said, you might not see much from me, because I'm going home, what's today? Tuesday. I've been going home Wednesday afternoon. I'll probably be leaving back out next Wednesday. So I'll be home for a week. Thumb up the video. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. Like I said, I'm Tyson Foods. The links will be down below if you want to, or you can email me if you have questions about Tyson Foods. Like I said, I'm going home for a week. Y'all have a great day. I-40 Gorge will be opening up March 1st.